Hi, I'm Angie Elliott. I'm one of the nurse practitioners here at Medical Specialist Clinic. I have a passion for hormones and have been working with bioidentical hormone replacement therapies for over 20 years. Our clinic is very unique. We do specialize in hormones, and hormones are not something to fear. You just want to be safe and smart about it. Receptors are actually everywhere throughout our body. Hormones impact our health in lots of different ways, from energy and memory to moods and sleeping, menstrual cycles, hot flashes, metabolism. They're the foundation for how your body functions. At the initial visit, we go over paperwork, talk about symptoms, learn more about the patient. At the end of the visit, we do a blood draw, and the blood work is nice and comprehensive. We're checking in on a variety of players, from estrogen, progesterone, testosterone, in-depth thyroid panels, including screening for Hashimoto, antibodies, adrenal glands, various vitamins, inflammatory markers, liver enzymes. Everything works together. So I appreciate that we do a more comprehensive look at all the different players. At the second visit, we get to go over all the results and formulate a plan.